Alright then, ladies and gentlemen, last time we left off right here. Today we want to finish off this pop-up and make it look like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and do just that. Alright, so pos.kv, because we are basically just styling today. So first I'm gonna do a widget, alright, for the separator, and I'm just gonna do size hint y is equal to none, and the height of this widget is just gonna be, let's do 22. Alright, so I'm just trying to space the top part from the bottom part. Alright, so orientation is already vertical. The next thing we want to do is get these two items here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subdivide this box into two mini boxes. So we're going to have one box for this part and the other box for, console complete these buttons. All right, so thinking about it now, I actually don't think we're going to need this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to anchor everything. Alright, so first let's just do a box layout. Let's do another one for the buttons. Let's give you a size hint y. So given the space that we have, this particular box layout is going to take about 60% of the available height, and this one is going to take 40% to make it 100%. Alright, we've got our spacing in check. Now in here let's just add our labels. So text. What is the text attribute of this text? Well, it's going to be checkout. Alright, and then the font name is going to be app.fonts. I believe we called it styled. The font size, let's do app.fonts.size.h1 for now, and the color, I believe the color is already black, but anyway, app.color primary text. Alright, and with that, let's just copy this. Let's remove the font name. Let's change the size to H3. H3 should be good. Alright, let's change to are you sure you want to complete this purchase? Yes, ma'am. Like that. Alright, and color primary, that should be good. I believe the default font, which is going to be body, should work for this one. Alright, so it's just gonna save that. Let's go down here. Let's add our lovely buttons. So we are missing one important thing here, which is the orientation. We don't need orientation for the bottom one because our buttons are in horizontal orientation by default. So we're just going to do a flat button here. The text of this flat button is going to be console. The FS font size is going to be app.fonts.size.h2. Hopefully this doesn't backfire. Alright, the color is going to be app. I actually forgot what the red is. Let's do alternate. Hopefully that's the red. Alright, and we need spacing between our buttons. So spacing is equal to, yeah, let's do 12. I think 12 looks good. Alright, now let's just duplicate this. Let's change this to a rounded button. Let's change this to yes, complete indeed. Alright, not color alternate but color primary. Actually this is the B color, right? The actual color is going to be app color secondary text. actually we want this to be guaranteed white, so let's just do white. FF for pure white. And now for the radius of this bad boy, let's do self.height times 0.1. Alright, so first let's look at how it looks right now, and then make adjustments accordingly. So there we go, print receipt. Alright, so first off, this is definitely not the red we're looking for, so let's fix that and fix this height thing as well. So what we want to do is this, if it's not color alternate, then tertiary. Alright, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do size hint y is equal to none. Actually, let's save ourselves some time. Alright, we're just gonna do size hint y is equal to about, let's start with 0.6. Alright, and then just put this whole thing inside an anchor layout to center it. Alright, let's shift it in. Let's run this again. Let's print receipt, and it's still pretty big, right? So I wonder, alright, you know what, let's just do the foolproof way. Alright, let's just do height is 54. You know, this should definitely work now. So alright, yes, console looking alright. I think it's now too small. Yeah, I think it's, I don't like that, so let's just do 64. Alright, and while we're at it, we want to edge align to the center. Alright, let's just do the same thing for you. And actually, I wonder if we have extra. Hopefully we added extra there. So print receipt. Alright, there we go, looking good. I don't know. Are you sure? I think it's alright, but I wonder if we can make it better. Yeah, I think we can. I think if we do H2 to make that prompt pop a bit. Yeah, I like this. Alright, this is where we're going to leave this part. Alright, so but the thing is, actually, you know what, I think we're just gonna leave it like this. Alright, so anyway, it's all complete as far as I can see. So let's just do it so that when you click either one of these, one thing is guaranteed to work, and that is we are going to dismiss this because we are done with it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to go to here, and we're going to say if we choose to cancel, then this one is really easy. We're just going to do on release, which means we have pressed the cancel, so we're just going to do root.dismiss, and then for this button we're going to do on release, and we're going to do root. Let's just do complete. Alright, and then let's create this complete function really quickly. So going down to here, we are just going to do complete. Alright, and we are going to say first we definitely want to dismiss, so self.dismiss. Alright, and then we're going to say if self.callback, which means which basically means a function was tied to us clicking the complete. So this, you could use this, for example, to send an event to your printer to print the contents of our receipt. Alright, so if we did enter a function, then we're just going to do self.callback, and we're going to pass self in there so that this function has access to the POS checkout. Alright, but obviously in your function you can either use it or not use it, whatever you want. All right, so anyway, that does it. Let's go ahead and print the receipt. So are you sure you want to complete this purchase? I'm just gonna do console, and as you can see, it's console. Yes, complete, and it's ooh, that didn't work. So object is no attribute complete. Interesting. Why didn't it work? Ooh, root dot complete. That should have definitely worked. So why didn't it? I wonder. POS checkout. POS checkout object is no attribute complete. Oh, that is interesting. Complete com. Ooh, indentation error. All right, should definitely work now. All right, so print receipt, console works, print receipt, yes, complete, that works too. All right, this is where we're going to stop for this one. If you have any questions, ladies and gents, leave them in the comment section. As always, I will try to answer them as fast as I can. Otherwise, I will definitely see you in the next one. Goodbye.